On what issue have you called the press?
I have called a press meet today to tell the people for what the APHLC have been fighting for. We are fighting for achievement of autonomous state under Article 2. During this delimitation process, we have submitted a memorandum to the Delimitation Commission requesting them to create another parliamentary constituency for Dimah South and more than 3 legislative assembly constituencies for Dimah South. Total, we demanded 15 or 16 LA constituencies, including Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But the government, the election commission has not, delimitation commission has not granted to us, except Amri constituency has been created for us. But that is also the creation, the boundary is very much defective. It is only giving opportunity for non-tribal people to win election in Rongkang. That's what they have done. And they have also delimited the boundaries for Hauraghat also and for Bukajan for the benefit of non-tribal people. So we are fighting against it. If we win the election, we will fight for it, and we will fight for more constituencies in Dimah South and separate parliamentary constituency for Dimah South. Another point, we have been fighting for strengthening of the sixth schedule and restoration of the power that we have already lost of the sixth schedule. According to law, according to Constitution of India under Article 243M, Panchayat cannot be established in sixth schedule area because the autonomous councils, these are our panchayats. It has been permitted by Article 243D of the Constitution of India, and panchayat of the plain area cannot be established. It is written in the Constitution and also in the Assam Panchayati Raj Act, Clause 1, Section 1. It is written there. So now the government themselves has violated the Constitution and the sixth schedule and Panchayat law. Now we are fighting in this election for restoration of the full power to the sixth schedule and for cancellation of the order for establishment of the non-tribal panchayats in sixth schedule area. Panchayat is a committee that I need not go to so far, I think. But it is a committee of 5 members. But we have got committees of 10 members in Karbi Anglong among the Karbi people. And other, Raji Naisoko, Tulsong Waisa, and then Dorbar Snow, and then Aking Nokma, Songko, what is that? Politics. We want to restore our land and our race and protect them to the full according to the Constitution and according to the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India. Yeah, we are also taking them along with us. We are fighting for them, all of them. And in the bigger field,